In an old German town, the wise men decided their mountain was in the wrong place. So they lined up at dawn and pushed with all their might. Hours passed. Nothing moved. They kept pushing anyway, because effort felt like movement. Sweating, they took off their coats and placed them behind them. Thieves came by, grabbed every coat, and vanished. At sunset, the men turned around, saw no coats, and smiled. Look how far we pushed the mountain. We can't even see our coats anymore. The ego doesn't need reality, only a story that protects its dignity. When facts vanish, it calls it success. We don't fear being wrong, we fear looking small. So we push, and then celebrate the missing coats.